what's up, Chris?
Well, how are you?
What you about to do?
Alright. Skydive?
Skydive?
Yeah, jump out of a plane.
Damn, you nervous?
I was, but not really anymore.
You're good to go?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well, we'll see how you are when we get to the door, man. But we're gonna have some fun. I'll see you up there.
Alright.
Chris! How was that?
Amazing.
You had a good time?
Oh, hell yeah.
Did you do it again?
Yes.
Is there anything you'd like to say to your friends and family back home?
Nothing besides it's amazing.
Alright, well, I had a good time, man.
Definitely.
I'll see you around.
I was trying to trick you.